Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can wrap tags in Canva tables. So let's start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva and here I have blank canvas. So let me put one table here. So I just need to search table here. This is blank table we have. Okay, I can resize like this. So I need to put the tags. So just double click on any cell and just write your text like this. Okay, okay, now we have text. Okay, so in table you can select the all text like this. Just double click on text into the cell and here you can see the option called alignment. You can change the alignment here. You can change that letter spacing like this. Okay, and here the alignment and here the uppercase and lowercase, and here we have the option called table spacing. Okay, you can increase decrease the table spacing here. Okay, and this text if you want to wrap it, you can increase decrease the size of this table by clicking this dot upside and just hold it and just increase decrease the size of this table, or you can simply select that column line. Just keep over the line, just keep the cursor over the line and just make sure this line become the blue and just hold it and just increase the line spacing like this. Okay, and here you can change that alignment. Okay, here the letter spacing you can change, line spacing you can change, and here the vertical alignment you can change, and you can adjust that line cell or columns. Okay, like this. That is how you can wrap the text in Canva table. So this is the option we have. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.